We are officially in week 3 of Pantry Challenge. It's about middle of the week right now. I have some clips from earlier in the week that I will throw in. Earlier this week, we did make some pork chops for dinner, so I will show you that. I started off by cooking up the vegetables. So this is some green beans and peas from the garden, and then this is some corn in the microwave, also from the garden. And then here's a great look at the pork chops that I made. I just did a quick marinade on these that had some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of cocoa aminos. And then my husband actually was nice enough to grill these up for me and him. We have really enjoyed grilling in the summer months, and so this is one of our go-to favorites, is having grilled meat and some vegetables and sometimes rice. And then I also did my first garden harvest of the week, and I will show you everything that I got. Here's our week 3 harvest. We have a few cobs of corn, a few pears that have fallen off the tree, a little bit of peas, tomatoes, tomatillos, and green beans. And then I did do one purchase online for, it was like $6, and I got some fruit snacks because I was out of fruit snacks, and that's just something that I really need. But let me show you what we're looking like in the freezer. All right, pantry and freezer both open. We have a little bit of leftover pork chops. I did take out a freezer meal to try to use that one up. Down below are the tomatoes and the tomatillos, I guess up here too. I have tons of tomatoes. At this point, the onion that's all that's left onion-wise, but there's no more potatoes aside from the ones in the ground, so I need to go harvest. And then over here, we have all the burritos that I recently made, and then we have a few things that are just like leftovers, but I'm going to eat this last pizza for dinner today, and so we are getting through the older things. And then this is like the not really food for right now type of section, and so I need to move it somewhere else, but I haven't yet. And then we did do quite a bit of cooking recently, so a lot of the extra cooking's in here, but these down here are the only little sliders that we have left. We have 3 hamburger sliders. We have 0 breakfast sliders left. Those went so quick, but I do have some grits casserole. I tried this, it's fantastic. I'm very excited about how well that turned out, so that was a huge win. And I only have 2 left of these older freezer meals. And then I'm starting little by little to stock up. So I have 3 of the buffalo chicken noodles, mac and cheese type of thing. I don't know, I kind of went, and did my own thing. And then this is just leftovers of the rolls that I can make into something else later. And then I do have the tomato soup down there. So we are starting to get somewhere. We didn't go through all of the store-bought rolls. Those usually go outside, but we are making good progress. So ideally, I would like to use up the things that have been in there a while and at the same time kind of restock a little bit. So anyways, let's get this thing preheated. So I'm going to preheat on air fry and only for 9 minutes. And that's what I'm gonna cook the pizza in. Okay, let's turn that off. A little bit overcooked, but that's okay. I'm going to get this out. This is not the conventional way to do it, but you know what? It sure works. So anyways, I am going to go eat this pizza. Luckily, it didn't all get too dark. It'll be fine. I am making another quick dinner. I am just going to put these chicken wings into the air fryer. There we go. And I'm just using the setting that's on the air fryer, and I'm having these wings because that'll help use up some of the, Shelftember items, and because I have this sauce from a restaurant. Wings have become one of my new favorite things to make in the air fryer. They are so simple. You just stick them in the air fryer, let them cook for a while, take them back out of the air fryer and sauce them up, which is so simple. I literally just put the sauce in the bottom of a bowl like you see and then toss them around. And then here's the kicker, put them back into the air fryer for just a few minutes and let them get a little bit more crispy, and then put them back right into this bowl with sauce, and then you have them a little bit saucy and a little bit crispy, and they are perfect. Back in for a minute after being sauced, and we will be eating soon. Not 6 minutes, just like 1 minute. And there we have it, wings with ranch and no veggie sticks. But anyways, wings with ranch. We are at the end of week 3 of Pantry Challenge, and I just went grocery shopping. I didn't get a whole ton. I spent a total of $5.96. I got some Gouda cheese. This was free because I had a coupon. I got some butter. I didn't need butter, but it was 70 cents off and it was on sale, so it was $2 total, which is a really good deal, and I didn't want to miss that up or pass that up or pass that by. I don't know, you know what I mean. Got some more bananas because we are down to just 1 banana left from 2 weeks ago, and it is in need of being a smoothie instead. And then the one thing that I did spend that was a little bit more money was a cabbage, but I did use a coupon on it. I was gonna say spend a coupon. I did use a coupon, but now we have at least a little bit of fresh veggie in the house. And not only that, I still have my zucchini from the garden, but I just went over to my friend's house and she gave me 6 zucchini. So I'm now ready to make zucchini pineapple and can it, so that will be fantastic. So this week, mostly what I showed was just the quick meals that I was using to use up the things in my house. I did cook some other things, which are the other videos from the week. So if you're interested in seeing what I did that was like legit cooking, definitely go check out my last 2 videos. And thanks so much for being here. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you haven't yet, please hit the thumbs up button. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.